Hi guys, today we're going to be opening this Kawajuku surprise doll. Let's start opening. Okay, here's the back. So, I'm going to show you the back in 1 second because I'm going to show you the characters we could get. Okay, there, I think I forgot to open this pot. Okay, there, I did open it. There, I found it. There, I got it. I wondered. On the back. Look at the background. It's so pretty, and these are all the characters you could get. Let me get out. There. Now let's get out the special card. I just ripped it. Anyway, now let's get out the plastics. Wow, look it. Now let's get the doll out. The weights. Come on, Bobby. Come on. I do not know how these names yet. So, yeah, it's just, there. The plastic. No tape, no anything. Oh, yeah, the bow can come out. There. Here's her. And I'm sorry about the loud noise. And she is very pretty. Let me put the bow in. It's the up one way. There. She looks very pretty. Her shoes can come off. How cool. I didn't expect her shoes could come off. So, now let's get all her accessories out. It comes with a ring. Wow. It comes with a ring. See? Ring. I don't know why they even make this kind of hard plastic. Here. I got it. I got one piece out. There. It's beautiful. It feels good on my fingers. Wow. Yeah, they're really easy to move. Bye. I need to go fun. Don't give, and on the box says, don't give it to little babies, because they shall swallow it. Ready? I'm going to do it on the table, so I don't lose them again. Like the first one, I shouldn't have remembered. My special, like that. It's really hard to get them. So much. And as you can see, these little, tiny pieces, you could put one of these on the wing. Where now? There. See? And then you have a little pretty wing. And you could also decorate her. The bow can come off. Her skirt can come off. But her shirt is just painted on. Her hair can't come off. So, now we'll start decorating her. Let's put this microphone right here in her hair. Her headband. Doesn't she look pretty? Oh, we could also put on your boots too. Wow, look at this. It's a bow. I wonder if we could put this kiss on her. Let's put the kiss now. Wow, she looks so gorgeous. Now let's put this on her shoe. There's a hole right there. Wow, she looks pretty. This new president. She looks so pretty. Okay, now let's try all of these little bow things on the wing. First, let's try the kiss. Wow, doesn't it look pretty? Here. Now let's do the next one. Oh, I forgot to get one out. I forgot to get the musical note out the box. How sorry. There, I got it. It's just popping. Now, let's put this one. Doesn't it look pretty? Let's try it on my finger. Wow. Gorgeous. Time to put the microphone on. Wow, it looks so pretty. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, it's a key. Maybe that was a thing. Oh, yeah, it was. Now, let's do the last one. Ta-da! Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe the video if you don't like it. I don't care. I'm making much more videos. I need to get 30,000 subscribers. And thank you for subscribing from my first video. Bye. See you soon.